Matagal ko ng pangarap na tumira sa bukid. So, this is a dream come true for us. When our plans to have children fell through, tuloy pa rin ang kagustuhan namin to have a family. Or better yet, to take care of our family and close friends. Kaya, ang itinatayo nating bahay ay para sa pamilya. So, welcome to Isidore. This is one of the biggest blessings natin. So what happens now? Well, eto na yung next big project natin. So I want to show it to you. Work in progress yung bahay natin dito sa Isidore Farms. Yay! Tara! So ito ay malaking farm. 8 or 9 hectares and we own a lot within the farm. So, blessing kasi wala naman kaming alam sa farming, pero panalo dahil may farm na. Ito ang ating neighborhood. So, farm tour! Farm tour!
Come with me, put your hands together, ta-da, let's be happy. You will see tomorrow's brighter, ta-da, let's be happy.
Pilipino tayo, kaya lumalaban tayong nakangiti. Ayan na yung bahay natin. Uy, anak, yung bahay mo. Ayan na, malaki na. Nung huling punta mo, hindi pa ganyan. Oh, be excited. Hi! Hi po! Malapit na ba? Pero ito medyo tapos na. The vision for this house is it will be a, universal house. Ibig sabihin, iisipin mo kahit sinong pwedeng tumira dito, mapabata, mapamatanda, mapa-PWD, kahit ano, dapat at least wini-welcome mo sila. So, ito yung family house natin. So, pagpasok, ito yung magiging entrada, malaki yung pintuan para pag meron tayong bisitang merong special needs, kailangan naka-wheelchair, at least madali lahat ang pasok. Etong kwarto na to, babakbakin pa to. Ang dami na natin na bakbak na pader dito sa bahay na to. But these switches will have to be lower para pag sakaling merong PWD, nasa wheelchair, kaya rin nilang i-access yung mga switches. Or not only the PWD, dapat pati mga bata kayang i-access yung switch. Pati dito nabasa ko nung nagre-research ako, pati yung mga socket, dapat hindi masyado mababa kapag naman matanda. So, ganun pala kapag gumagawa kayo ng isang tahanan na universal yung design, na iniisip ang bawat taong pwedeng tumira dito. So, sino ang PWD sa pamilya namin? Wala. Pero bubuksan natin ang tahanan natin sa mga kaibigan natin, mga kapamilya na may mga pamilya at mga members of their family who may have special needs. Kung si nanay, lola, lolo man yan, kahit na nagpapahinga dito, ang alam ko rin kapag matanda na, minsan natatakot rin silang mag-isa. So maganda rin na kahit na nandito sila sa room, hindi sila parang away from the family. So that's why this is a family house. And if you will see here, even the size of the door is also big enough for a PWD. May access siya here and may access rin doon. Naiyak ako, di ba? Kung hindi mo naman kaya baguhin ang mundo pero kaya mong baguhin yung sarili mong tahanan, and believer rin talaga ako sa bayanihan. How can you talk about community and bayanihan if you're not sharing your home with other people? So this is it. Sa lahat ng espasyo dito sa bahay, ito lang talaga ang kwarto, yung pinaka-space namin ni asawa. Ito yung magiging kwarto. Dito, sarado na to. Ito na yung pinaka-private space lang namin. May isang banyo here. May walk-in closet. And this is it. This is our bedroom. The space of our bedroom. So, may bubong na tayo. Wow! Hello po. Ang ganda po. Salamat Ganda ng gawa nyo. Wow, at saka masarap yung presko. Wala na, hindi na tayo nakabilad so mas presko na yung vibe. Dito magkakaroon ng bay window. Yung bay window kasi, ang habit ko everyday, may reflection talaga ako, gigising ako ng maaga, magre-reflect. Gusto ko dun sa may bintana. Ito rin gusto sa bintana. So yung bay window na yun, sa amin yun. Yun lang. Ito lang talaga yung masasabi kong private space namin ni Asaw. So, open design ang tawag. So, nagtagal ang proseso ng pagre-research ko on what to do with our space. Natagalan ng slight. Pero yun pala ang ibig sabihin pag sustainable yung space, you want it open. So, ito, yun na yun. Wala na, tapos na. Yan na. Pero to, pati yung lutuan, yung provision ng lutuan natin para sa marunong magluto. Hindi ako marunong magluto, period. Pero para sa mga bisita nating marunong magluto, gagandahan natin yung kusina. Ito yung excited ako. Meron tayong sulok sa kwarto natin, sa bahay natin, na gratefulness wall. So ito, parang this will be our gratefulness corner. Kasi alala ko dati nung pandemic, sabi ko, doon naman ako naging sobrang believer of bayanihan and kindness na hindi naging scars or malungkot yung pandemic for me because of kindness. Oo, totoo, naging mabuti ako sa kapitbahay pero mas generous yung kabutihang natanggap ko sa mga kapitbahay. So, in this area, I don't know how we'll recreate it, but we'll definitely get some experts to help me design this space na parang kung saan mo lang gustong magpasalamat, where generosity just flows. I don't know how to do it, but yeah, I'm not an expert. You just ask help from people who know better. Muulan na. Wala, doon tayo. Ay, buti may bubong na. Doon tayo sa bubong. Ay, ang saya. Ang saya. Ma-experience natin ang ulan. Ang ganda po. Happy kayo sa gawa nyo? Happy. Ito yung breakfast nook na natin. So pagkakain dito na. Kasi lanay na to balkon ano na to. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. Ano palagay yung gagawin? Hindi ko pa ma-decide. Dito yung parang like a door. Pero malawak. Yung bubong naman niya makikita mo hanggang dun siya So pag nalagay na yung bubong bongga na yan. And there's a little space above. It's for our telescope. Because my asawa, such a kid. So, bago pa lang kami kinasal, may telescope kaming biniling pagkamahal-mahal. 12 years old na yung telescope na yun. Never pa namin nagamit. So that's why we have that space there because we want a telescope. And there's a small attic where we'll put his parang mga display ng mga Lego niya doon sa taas sa attic. Yun, parang a playroom. Sana if you're building a house, sana ma-inspire kayo to also go with this kind of design na mas iniisip, hindi lang yung mismong gagamit, pero iba pang taong pwedeng gumamit in the future. Ito yung dirty kitchen. Pero gusto ko yung masayang dirty kitchen. Pag galing ka sa putikan, pwede mong linisan yung sapatos mo. Dito yon. Dito yung parang may wash area, labada area. Ito na yun. Tapos ito yung dirty kitchen pantry. Yan. So, because I love working out, such a believer of workout, dito tayo sa ilalim. Na-imagine ko dito talaga parang gym or yoga place or what. It can be whatever. Bonus lang tong space na to. This was not part of the plan. This one. Nagkataon lang nung naghukay. Ay, may space pa pala. O, di sige, di gawing isa pang kwarto. Pero, ito yung, it's another room with banyo there. Pero ang banyo natin, magkahiwalay yung shower at saka yung toilet para kung matagal sa toilet yung iba, hindi mabibitin. Siyempre, naisip ko, pwede mag-table tennis dito. Ano ba? Talagang active. Pwedeng mag-yoga or pwedeng magbasa-basa dito ang mga bata, di ba? Madaming pwedeng gawin. So, noong una, sabi ko, parang kwarto sana to, like a separate room. Pero, when I talk to a sustainability designer, her name's Nina Quinto, sabi niya, usually when you talk about sustainability, it's just parang very flexible spaces. So we won't call it a room or a bedroom. It's just a room, but it can be a bedroom. It can be a bedroom. It can be a guest room. What I'm imagining is, siguro kunwari daw may group of friends dito na gustong magdasal, mag-retreat, magbasa, just quiet time. Alam mo yon, social lang na glamping. Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. At least may budget pa for this phase. Project name, Bubog House. May kanta kami ni Homer. Kagaya ng awit nating Bubog. Mahirap makahanap ng outdoor spaces na accessible. So kahit sa bahay man lamang natin magawa natin ito. Hoping that others can also adapt this kind of concept. Tapos ito, gusto ko to. Yung sa Igorot, dapay. Basta yung nakaiikot lang doon, parang fire pit. Inspired din ito ng Igorota roots ko. Kaya may fire pit, dapay. To me, a dapay is very Filipino and best demonstrates our bayanihan spirit, our sense of community. Welcome to Copenhagen! Sulit na sulit! In our recent trip to Denmark, I went to neighborhoods to get inspiration in this community concept. Like us Pinoys, the Danes are very much into community, and their focus is always the family. They are also amongst the happiest people in the world, according to the UN World Happiness Report. Feeling ko nga dapat nasama ang mga Pilipino sa listahan. I therefore conclude, in designing communities, we should be intentional in fostering social interaction between the young and the old. Studies show that keeping the young and old together in a space is actually beneficial to both. We are creating a space na mas open to encourage family bonding. A place where the old and the young and every member of the family can play and pray together. Hindi naman bago ang open concept. May ibang gumagawa na rin nito dito sa atin, gaya ng mag-asawang sustainability advocates, Drs. Betsy and Noel Miranda. Ang ganda, ang hangin, Dad. Ang sarap ng bahay. Presko siya. Ay, may really fun. Oo.
Kaya yung may air ka ng flow ng air ay din. Parang may air well dito.
Yeah.
Everything is open. Walang pinto except the banyo.
Well, it's a family thing that we want to avoid also yung barriers. We want to keep in touch with each other, and privacy is good, but you don't want to exclude yourself from the rest of the family. So the more open, the more you see each other, the opportunity to see each other, the better. You increase the opportunity for interaction.
Simply put, we try to be the change that we want to see. We can't change the world, but we can start with our own homes, with our families, and our own community. And those bubogs in life are there to get inspiration and remind us of what it is we hold most dear. In our case, it will always be about family.
You